Hey guys, I am so excited for today's advent calendar. We are going to be unboxing the Tati Lashes A Very Tati Christmas. I've never tried anything from this brand, so I can't wait. This is such a cute design. So you open it up like this. It has a little mirror, and then it kind of like folds out like a little vanity. Like, is that not super cute? I feel like it's a little bit hard to show, but anyway, we're just gonna get into it really, so let's get into it. So starting with day one. So first thing we have here are a pair of lashes. These are the 3D Brazilian silk hair in the style Cali Vibes. That's how they look there. I don't love these. I feel like these aren't really my vibe. They look a bit plasticky. I prefer kind of like faux mink vibe, but they're still cute. Speaking of lashes, I think mine's come off. Day two. Oh, cute. This is the Tati Lashes and the Khloe Kardashian like collab. I think they did a collab or whatever. This says it's 22 pre-marked individual lashes. Cute. Pre-matte, sorry. How do you open this? Oh, you slide it. It's exciting. Girl, I'm confused. 22 pre-matte individual lashes. Oh, do you put them like... Oh, yes, I see. They're little lash clusters. Cute. Okay, but like I'm guessing you can like stick them on like... So you can like kind of customize them, I guess, if that makes sense. Okay, that's the box there. I love this packaging. So you can see that they look like lashes, but when you actually... Like, they look like a full strip lash, but when you actually look closer, they're little clusters. So I feel like that's cute. So then you could, you know, kind of match them to your eye without having to cut them. You can stick them on like as a half lash or, you know, kind of customize them. So I think that's quite cute. And we have two like styles here. We have Love Chloe and Adore You. Super cute. I don't know if I've ever seen anything like that before. I am quite a strip lash girl, but I feel like it's a cute idea. Day three. Cute. This is another one of the, like a collab with Chloe. These are the... It says apply your lashes with precision. Apply, clamp and comb with ease. So it's a dual-ended lash applicator. Cute. I feel like you can never have enough lash applicators. I have two at the moment. I swear they always go missing. So I feel like a good lash applicator is really underrated because they can really help you apply your lashes. So this is a really nice shape as well. I like that it's like very, like it's like angled in a way that you can still see, because there's nothing worse when you've got a bulky lash applicator and you can't see. It's got a little like brush on one end as well, and I feel like this feels like really nice quality, and I like the color and stuff. I think it's really cute. That's how it looks there. Super cute. It looks weird, like it looks like a weird shape at this angle, but I promise it makes sense. So that was day three. I like that they've added things that aren't just lashes in here as well. Like, I think it's cute that we're getting like a little applicator and things like that as well, because it keeps the calendar a bit fresh. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love lashes. I'd be happy with 24 days of lashes, but it is nice to mix up as well. Okay, day four. Okay, we have another one of the little Chloe collabs. These are 3D faux lashes. These are cute. So these are in the style Secret Admirer. I've never seen lashes displayed like that. I thought it was a mistake at first, but that's cute. It shows you like how they look like flat and how they will actually look on. That's actually a really good packaging idea. Like, do you see what I mean? At first I was like, oh my god, the lash is falling in the packaging, but no, it's stuck there like that. That's super cute. So you can see how it'll actually look like front on when you're wearing the lash. Yeah, these are in the style Secret Admirer. And these are a bit more my style. They look a bit more like faux minky, so that's nice. Day five. These are more of the Brazilian silk hair. These are in TL21. So once again, I don't love the Brazilian like silk hair style, and that's just personal preference, honestly. Like, I feel like I'm quite particular about my lashes. Day six. Cute. We've got some more individual lashes. So these are the Russian Volume Look. Just got some lash clusters. I've never tried these before. If I'm being honest, they scare me a little bit because they're meant to be like the lash extension kind of thing. I don't know if you can like, if they last for a while or how it works, but I don't know. I'm scared. Day seven. Cute. These are like more my style. These are the 3D faux mink. These are in the style TL19, and it says that these were a winner for the Cosmopolitan Beauty Awards in 2020. So yeah, these are more my style. I just love a faux mink lash. I'm not really a silk lash girl, but yeah, they look really nice. Day 8. Oh, these are cute. These are like a little half lash, but they actually look really nice. So these are the 3D Foam Mink lashes, and they're called Artisty. I know I said that wrong. I don't know. But they're kind of cute, you know, like a little half lash moment. Love those. Day 9. We have some more of the Brazilian silk hairs, and these are in TL16. That's them there. Day 10. We have some more of the 3D Foam Mink, and these are in Angel Energy, and these look really nice as well. These look like a bit of like a 3/4 lash. Like they're not quite a full lash, but they're also not quite like a half lash. I quite like these. I feel like they're a little bit unique. I feel like they'll look really nice. I'm very excited to try those out. I'm thinking of doing like a lash try on as well when I figure out which ones I want to keep and stuff. Okay, on to 11. Got some more of the 3D Luxury Foam Mink. Oh, so there must be 3D Foam Mink, and then there must be Luxury Foam Mink as well. Anyway, these are TL16, and these ones are right up my alley. These are quite dramatic. So yeah, I feel like the Luxury Foam Mink are going to be my favourite. So pretty. Love those. They're really, really nice. Day 12. Oh, what's this? Oh, cute. We've got a little lash adhesive. So this is the Tati Lashes lash adhesive. I actually really like the packaging of this. I think it's super cute. I don't know why, but it gives me like Barbie vibes or something like that. I don't know. It's cute though. Love that. Day 13. We have some more individuals. These are the Mon Cherry ones. And it says these give a mega volume look. That's them there. Day 14 is the biggest one. What is this? This is another one of the little Chloe things. It says double-ended temporary lash adhesive and adhesive remover duo. Let's have a look. Cute. So I think this is to apply like the individual lash clusters. So it says bond and seal. Create a seamless lash look that lasts up to 7 days with this bond and seal duo. Say hello to long-lasting lashes from the comfort of your own home. And then it says remove. Gently dissolve the adhesive bond while deeply nourishing and cleansing your lashes with antibacterial rose geranium oil. Anyway, that's super cute. Yeah, a little lash adhesive and a little glue remover. I think that's really cute. And yeah, 7 days. That's, maybe I should test it out. Let me know down below if you'd like to see a video of me like actually testing out the little like do it at home individual lash cluster thingies. That could be a fun video. I'm scared, but I'll do it for you guys if you want to see it. Okay, we have day 15 next. These are beautiful. We have some more of the Luxury Foam Minks. These are in TL4. They're so pretty. Love those. Okay, 16 is next. I have some more of the 3D Foam Minks, and these are called Half Lash Era, and these actually look really cute. I don't know, I'd love to see how these look on because I feel like they'd be really sweet. They're super full on the outer corner and then like sparse on the inner corner. I feel like they might look really nice. I'm curious about those ones. Day 17. Have some more of the 3D Foam Minks. These are in Chick Flick. Look like that. Super cute. Next is day 18. We have some more individual clusters. So these are the Wispy collection, full extra wispy volume. These look really nice actually. So that's how they look there. Day 20? No, day 19. Have some more of the 3D Foam Mink. This is another Beauty Awards winner. These are Butterfly Effect. Love those, super cute. Now on to day 20. Have some more of the 3D Foam Mink, and this is another winner, and these ones are 90s Baby. I really like these. I feel like they look really nice. Okay, 21. Got some more of the 3D Foam Minks, and these are Side Hustle, and it says that these are another winner. I like that they've put like their popular styles in as well. Like obviously these are lashes that people like, so they haven't just put like lashes that aren't selling in there, which I think is nice. Okay, on to 22. Got some more individuals. These are the Everyday Wispy Volume, called Everyday Wisp. Look like that. Super cute. 23. More faux luxury foam mink. T in TL9. They're cute. I feel like they're not focusing either. Hopefully these are focused the whole video. What's the belt? I'm gonna like edit my video and realize that nothing has focused. Okay, second last day, which is 24. We have some more of the 3D luxury foam minks, and these are in TL3. Those are really pretty. I love them. And then we're on to our very last day, which is day 25. Oh, cute. These are called 25th of December. It looks like they're designed specifically for the calendar because they've got like a little Christmas bow and stuff on them. These are more of the 3D foam mink, and yeah, they're called 25th December. That's so cute. I feel like that was a really nice surprise. Like, I feel like I love the little packaging. Like, you can tell it's really well thought out. That's super cute. Okay, guys, let's talk about the calendar. Oh, damn it. So I think this is actually sold out now, which is a shame. Let me see how much I paid. So the actual calendar was $178, and then I paid $30 shipping, so I paid $208 total. But yeah, I just think this one was really cute. First of all, I love the packaging. I think the actual box itself is really well thought out. It's super cute, and I love that it opens up. I love that it's got a mirror. I love that it has that like vanity feel, like it's something that you could actually keep if you wanted to and like reuse, and I honestly really do want to reuse it. I'm gonna try and figure out a way that I can, or what I could store in here. So I love that the packaging is well thought out. I think that's really cute. And I feel like it just felt like a nice experience to open it up. You know, it had all the pretty boxes. And yeah, I don't know, I just feel like it felt really fun. I loved that we got a range of products in here. That we had some of the silk lashes, and we had some foam mink, we had some luxury foam mink. I love that we have our individuals, and then we had those couple of other things like some lash glue and some tweezers and stuff like that. I feel like it kept the calendar like fresh and fun. Not that I wouldn't have loved, you know, 25 pairs of lashes, but I love that it was still exciting, you know? So yeah, I think that this was a really nice calendar. I think it's really cute that on the last day they did that little packaging change up. Like, that was really sweet. And I like that they included, you know, like I said, they included some of the lashes that had won awards. They included that collab with Khloe Kardashian, so it's not just junk that they're trying to get rid of at the end of the year. So yeah, I really liked this one. Let me know down below what you thought, but thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.